day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal service and receiving my personal trades on a daily basis, then please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq100, a huge rally during the final trading session of the week, which means that, the Nasdaq100, if we look on the weekly chart, we've been trading towards the upside for some time now. If we just count on the candlesticks here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth week in a row. But we are starting to hit a few dilemmas. And of course, on the weekly chart, we're now at the 50-day EMA. So that could offer huge resistance. If we look on the monthly chart, we're kind of bouncing back. This is the second month now in a row that we are trading in the green. So not really much to tell from on the monthly, but on the daily, this is where I think, this is the chart that tells the most stories here. And at this moment in time, guys, I have to say we are really showing some signs of breaking out here. This downtrend that we've been in for the whole year. It doesn't take a genius to kind of see that. We, this is the downtrend line, and we are really having a good attempt here of breaking out. But now, before I start buying this market, there's a few things that I would like to see. The first being is I would like to see the top of yesterday's swing high get taken out. So that's Thursday's swing high, and that's due to the fact this was a shooting star candle pattern. Now, typically speaking, the rules with a shooting star is that if the candlestick on the following day can break above the swing high of that candlestick, then of course that's been a very bullish sign. As well as that, guys, I want the RSI to cool down. I really do want the RSI to start to fall towards the downside. We're currently trading up at around 67.45. So we're only about 2.5 points now away from being considered to be overbought here. So this market is starting to become overbought up at these high ends. And typically what you do tend to see when you do break out of a situation like this is that you have a nice aggressive move towards the upside. That's what we've seen over the past 2 trading sessions, and then ultimately you can go and have a retest, a back test, to go and check that previous resistance area is now the new floor. So perhaps that's where I will then be offered that fantastic buying opportunity, and maybe that's where the RSI also corrects itself down towards perhaps 60 or 50, and that's somewhere where I deemed good value. So very exciting that the market is starting to break out here. I'm actually very surprised. I thought that with all the fundamentals going on at this moment in time, with winter just on the horizon, I thought that we would start to see a return down towards 11,000. So this is very encouraging indeed. And also, I just do want to point out, though, we are going into September. September historically is a very weak month for the stock market. As well as that, trading volume at this moment in time is very low. So, once investors do start to come back going into the month of September, for example, that's where you can see some of these nice movements taken back. So there's still definitely a few headwinds on the horizon here. I don't want to go invest all my cash here. As I've said in previous videos, that at this moment in time, with regards to my tech investments in stocks, I'm 100% sat in cash. I don't own any tech stocks because I was waiting for a pullback. So I don't want to be jumping in here, going, investing everything that I have. I would like to dollar cost average, hopefully towards the downside, and then eventually take any advantage of some full swings towards the upside. But this is very encouraging here for the Nasdaq100 indeed.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.